Hi there, it's Elisa with Elisa's Crafty Creations, and today I am going to be unboxing day 2 of the Spellbinders Stitchmas Advent Calendar. Today's die was a candle. The first thing I did was die cut all the elements using my Sizzlix sidekick. This is a great little machine if you only are using small dies, like I am today. Also, in the time of making this video, it was the only die cut machine I had available to me. Unfortunately, the handle had come off my larger die cut machine, and I was waiting for the manufacturer to send me a new handle so I could use it again. So now I've cut out all of the pieces. I went ahead and cut some additional ones for the stitched element of the candle and also the backing piece, and then glued them together. This ensures that the card will hold up in mail, as well as giving more stability to the stitching. Next, I went ahead and got some silver diamante thread and went ahead and stitched the candle elements with the dies. This took about 5 minutes altogether. It was nice and easy. Definitely a great die to use if you don't have much time but still want to do some stitching on the card that you are making. I went ahead and stitched both of the candles, and then I moved on to the flames, and for the flames I used some gold diamante thread, and again this took about 3 or 4 minutes to complete both candles and have them ready to attach to the rest of the die cut in order to make the card. Next thing I did was went ahead and attached all of the elements to the backing die cut. The dies go together in a self-explanatory order, so this made it very easy. The next thing I did is took the tag die that actually came with the Sizzlix side cut machine, and I attached 2 of those together to create some stability. I then went back to my die cut and made sure everything was fully reattached before pulling out my spritzing tray and using Tim Holtz Distress Mica sprays to help embellish my holly and my tag. Once they were dry, I went ahead and put some double-sided tape on the back of the die cut that I created and attached that to the tag. I then attached the holly to the bottom of the candles to make it look like it was in a holder. And then I got out the Oh What Fun paper pack, which came in the October 2022 card kit of the month, and selected this beautiful piece of snow pattern paper and cut it just slightly smaller than an A2 card. I then attached this to an A2 side folding card using double-sided tape. I prefer to use double-sided tape when using papers like this because it is thinner and liquid adhesive often will cause the paper to warp. I then again used some double-sided tape on the back of the tag that I created and affixed that onto the card. Finally, I went into my stash and found this Joy to the World die cut. This is from the Simon Hurley range from last Christmas. I love the style of the sentiment and how clean and classic cut it is, and you will find it on a lot of my projects. Finally, I decided I wanted to make a little ribbon, so I went ahead and used some ribbon to create a bow, and then used a few of Spellbinders opal embellishment gems on the card. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like so you can keep informed when I make future videos.